From the citation, I read, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, Founder President, Ritnan Belved Education Foundation and MIT Universities, honors Chief Guest, Dr. M.S. Gill, IAS, retired, Honorable Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports, an eminent and illustrious parliamentarian, able administrator, a brilliant scholar, and a most distinguished and experienced former member of Indian Administrative Service. Dr. Gill has had a glittering career of exceptional devotion and sustained hard work. With his profound knowledge and understanding, he has successfully undertaken numerous assignments at different levels of government. As the former Chief Election Commissioner of India, Dr. Gill has rendered outstanding service, and his pioneering efforts in bringing electoral reforms have left a lasting impact, for which the nation has greatly honored him with the Padma Vibhushan, which he so richly deserves. He is totally held in the highest esteem as one of the most distinguished global Indians for his contribution to the sports world and towards development of youth. A true philosopher, statesman, orator, author and politician, Padma Vibhushan Dr. M.S. Gill lives is an excellent example of outstanding contribution towards nation building and development of society. A charismatic personality, Dr. M.S. Gill is admired by all for his deep commitment, determination, unassuming nature, and down-to-earth and humility. The MIT fraternity is proud of his exceptional achievements. MIT University, Uttar Pradesh, Noida, April 9, 2010. Thank you so much, sir. MIT will always remember your presence and your words of wisdom. May I please request all of you to give standing ovation to Dr. Gill. A louder ovation to Dr. Gill, please. Regarding Baba Seva Singh ji, इतिहास गवाह है कि पता नहीं किन्ने ही राजा पैदा हुए, किन्ने ही रईस लोकां दा जन्म होया, कितनी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनैलिटीज पैदा हुईयां इस मुल्क विच और दुनिया विच। मगर कल मैं रात अपने पिता जो कि 80 साल दे ने उन्हां दे नाल बैठा होया सी और मैं तुहाडे बारे गल छेड़ी और मैं पूछया उन्होंने कि राजा और संत विच फर्क की हुंदा है। तो उन्होंने बोलिया संत कदी अपने आप को संत नहीं कहता और राजा हमेशा अपने आप को राजा कहता है। सेवा सिंह जी, मनु उस दिन उस वक्त समझ आया कि सचमुच हर हफ्ते पीरां और संतां दी मज़ारां उत्ते दिए क्यों जलदे ने और राजावां दा जन्मदिन सिर्फ साल विच एक बार क्यों मनाया जाता है। बुल्ले शाह ने ठीक किया है कि ताजदारां दे ना अमीरां दे दीवे जगते सदा फकीरां दे, मेरी किस्मत बदल के रख देती ऐसे करम होए ने मेरे पीरां दे, सूली तो ताज तक मनु पहुंचा दिता, रुख बदल दिते ने इन्हां ने लकीरां दे, दीवे जगदे सदा फकीरां दे। बाबा जी तुहाडे नाल ने दुआवां 80,000 एमिटियंस दियां, बाबा जी तुहाडे नाल ने दुआवां 8,000 अध्यापकां दियां, बाबा जी तुहाडे नाल ने दुआवां साडे चांसलर, साडे वाइस चांसलर्स, साडे प्रो वाइस चांसलर्स, साडे हेड ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस, साडे एक स्टूडेंट दे जो इत्थे बैठे हुए ने, साडे नाल ने दुआवां डॉक्टर चौहान दियां जो कि खुद इस चीज विश्वास करते ने, जो खुद एक कर्मनिष्ठ इंसान ने, जो खुद यह चीज जानते ने कि विद्या दा की महत्व है। आई एम ऑल्सो थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू and especially to our management, to our administration, and to our founder president, and to Madam Amita Chauhan for giving us an opportunity to listen to such great thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge applause for Dr. Chauhan and Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan, who themselves, they are the great social workers and the real Karam Yogi. The philosophy which Dr. Chauhan has propagated, the philosophy which Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan has propagated to the great social work, to the great contribution which they are doing to the India. I would like to quote just 4 lines in their respect to give the vote of thanks. Dr. Chauhan believes and says most of the time, na har bhulo, na jag chodo. You have to live a balanced life. Na har bhulo, na jag chodo, karam kar zindagani mein, raho कीचड़ में यूं जैसे कमल खिलता है पानी में. I once again thank each and every student who is present here and all those who are involved in organizing this great function. And for all those who are sitting here, let me tell you that you are the spotless people, and in your respect, I can only recite 4 lines which says, Achan itna guma na kar. And this is for every Amitian, the people from the press, the people who have come from the far off places and are sitting here, our head of institutions, our chancellors, our faculty. Achan itna guma na kar, yahan aur chand bhi baste hain. Achan itna guma na kar, yahan aur chand bhi baste hain. तुझ पर तो है फिर भी दाग लगा, यहां बेदाग भी बसते हैं. Thank you very much.